Here's how to install Damtech Sonic Drain Plus, our profiled fleece laminated drainage mat for sound insulation on roof terraces, balconies, and loggias. Sweep the surface clean before installation. Cut Damtech Sonic Drain Plus with a commercial cutter. Avoid damage to underlying layers. Install the rolls end to end, overlapping with the factory fleece overhang. We recommend securing the overlapping fleece with adhesive tape. Prevent gravel from entering the sound insulation layer to avoid sound bridges. Install sheets crosswise to the surface's long side with offset joints, following codes and regulations. Extend Damtech Sonic Drain Plus upward at edges and rising components to the finished floor height. Prevent water accumulation on or under the mats by ensuring at least 2% slope for drainage. Use a suitable separating layer as per codes or the roof membrane manufacturer's specifications. Only a single layer of Damtech Sonic Drain Plus should be installed. You can cover Damtech Sonic Drain Plus with gravel immediately after installation to prevent expansion from weather or manufacturing, and put concrete tiles on top of the gravel. Besides gravel, you can also use stilt bearings directly on Damtech Sonic Drain Plus. You can also use Damtech Sonic Drain Plus under wooden slat constructions. Damtech Sonic Drain Plus is for outdoor use only, with tested sound insulation on concrete and wood beam terraces. For more product data and installation instructions, visit crytech.com.